Whether it's hard for you to get free samples or you're just looking for a new way to get more samples, I've created this program here that's sending all the forms. Brands will ask you to submit a form with your name, address, etc. To get a free sample. So, for example, they look like this. This is what the forms look like. It asks your Amazon storefront, the product you want, etc. You submit it, and then they'll send you a free sample. So every day, this my program is sending these new forms to this Discord channel. Um, so you have the clickable link for the form, and you can also copy the name of the campaign and put it in here. That way you can do your product research to see if this is even a sample that you want to apply for. So this is going to be completely free. I'll include the link in the description, or you could maybe find it in the bio. And yeah,